Alright, so if you want to contact the Roblox support, here is the quick video for that. First of all, you need to open up the Roblox. Then onto the bottom right side corner, you will probably see the more option. Simply tap on the more and then scroll it down to the bottom and you will find out the help and security. Simply tap on that. And then from here, you need to tap on violation and appeals. Simply go with this one and it will show up many options, but from here you can select the support. Simply go with this one. All right, then from here you need to firstly fill up the form, like your username, first name, email address. It is a must, so you need to fill up the email address, confirm email address and the issue. So from here you can select your first device. So I'm going with the Android phone, and then from here you can select the category of the problem. So you can select any of these like your category. So I want to delete my account if it is, then you can select also subcategory like this. All right, so select the category, then you can simply write down the description that you want to know from them or that you want them to do with you. So that's how you can simply contact Roblox support. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.